Hey, True Seekers, welcome back. 149th post here. Today is November 12th. The big news is that the European space program has landed a probe on a comet for the first time in history. Reminds me of the Bruce Willis movie Armageddon. Came out before 9/11. That movie, the World Trade Centers get destroyed. Anyhow, let's look at these stats. So the numerology of today reduces to 12, representing complete. And this mission that's been going on for 10 years, supposedly, is now essentially complete. Well, at least the landing part is. So also, I want to make a point. This isn't NASA. This is the European Space Program. But the thing about NASA is they always coded all of their stuff with 33. In this book right here, there's a method of summing words in gematria where you don't count the syllables. So if you do that to NASA, it becomes NS. That's 14 plus 19. Sums to 33. Interesting, right? Anyway, so today's landing, European Space Union, not NASA, is the Philae. The Philae probe. The Philae probe. And look at the gematria of Philae, you guys. P becomes 7, H becomes 8, I becomes 9, L becomes 3, A becomes 1, E becomes 5, 33. Not long ago, the Mars rover landed on Mars, supposedly. The word rover also has the gematria of 33. The comet it landed on, you guys, it's also curious because it has this long name. The first part before the hyphen, it's referred to as the Churyumov-Gerasimenko comet. Churyumov has the gematria of 47, often paired with 33. Because the Gerasimenko has a K and S in it, it has multiple values it can equate to, 54, 63, or 72. If you add 47 plus 54, it equals 101, like an introductory class. If you add 63, it sums to 110, very important number in history, and one that's been quite common lately. If you make it sum with the value of 72, 72 plus 47 sums to 119, 11.9. And also the comet is also referred to as 67P. 67 is another number loved by the Masons. I've covered that one a lot in videos. The point is, you guys, is all this space stuff from NASA to European Space Program to Indian Space Program. Did you guys see the Indian Space Program built a $74 million shuttle earlier this year? It was big news for them, $74 million price tag.
Is because the only way to reconcile risk and
I don't know why that unpaused.
success is
Yay us. Yay humanity.
Or yay the European Space Agency. That's the Director General of the European Space Agency. There was nothing easy about the proposition that they just undertook, spending the last decade having their lander orbit with Rosetta around the solar system and then, just drop onto a moving comet, a comet that was moving over.
Well, maybe that was meant to be. Maybe we were just supposed to hear our idiotic media. God, I can't stand them. Just sit up there and lie every day and act like they know what they're talking about. Anyway, here, just another recent example, you guys. NASA's been on the wind down, right? One of their biggest missions to conclude recently was the final space mission of Atlantis. Atlantis retired after 33 missions on 7/21/11, a date with a numerology of 39. Atlantis in gematria also sums to 33. So, you know, I've done some other space posts, you guys. I could do a million more. Whenever you investigate these space stories, it's always the same numbers, the same numerology. I encourage you guys to do this yourself and share with me what you find. I've already found a lot, but I don't have all the time in the world. I work 2 jobs too, so just wanted to share with you the early hoax. Hopefully this isn't symbolic of things to come. I don't like that the comet has the capability of summing to 119. The mission's 33. The last time I saw all these numbers come together, 33, 47, 110, 119. Do you know what day that was? That was September 11th. World Trade Centers 1 and 2 were 110 stories tall. Building 7 that fell 8 hours later was 47 floors tall. Of course, the date was September 11th. 33s were all throughout the day. 33 years before it happened, 911 was made the national emergency dialing code. World Trade Center construction started. George W. Bush graduated from Yale in Skull and Bones. That was all 1968. Point is, you guys, same numbers over and over and over. These people that control our reality, our destiny, they are numerologists, and they are obsessed. And in understanding this, you can reveal the hoaxes yourself. All you need is the alphabet and how to count. All right, until next time, people.